Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing video of the brand new Elgato HD60X Capture Card. So I made the decision to invest in this capture card quite recently because I started to notice that my previous capture card, which is the Rybozen Ultra HD 4K HDMI capture card, bit of a mouthful, wasn't getting picked up by OBS, and also what had been happening is that my screen was tearing when I was streaming or trying to record gameplay. Now don't get me wrong, this is Old Faithful. I've been using this capture card since I started streaming over a year ago. However, it was time for an upgrade, which is why I now have this beauty. So I'm just going to go through a quick unboxing. I'll go through the tech specifications for any tech heads out there that want to know more about the capture card, and I'll also put a side-by-side comparison of how this capture card fares against my old one. So yeah, hope you enjoy. The HD60X allows you to play in 4K 60, HDR10, or with high frame rates such as 1440p or 1080p. The capture card also comes with its own 4K utility software, so it allows you to record in 4K directly from that. And you're also able to capture gameplay at a 4K 30, 1440p or 1080p quality. Now, the main issue that I had with my previous capture card was screen tearing, but with this HD60X, it has VRR support, which removes it completely. Here is a side-by-side comparison of me playing games on stream with my old capture card and with my new one. One thing I will say about when you install your capture card for the first time is that you will need to disable HDCP on your PS4 or PS5. HDCP stands for High Bandwidth Digital Copyright Protection, and what that means is that it prevents external devices from recording video. But this is a problem if you want to use your HD60X to capture games. So you're just going to need to go to your settings, system, and then make sure the checkbox for enable HDCP is unchecked. And this will enable the HD60X to output your video and audio from your PS4 or PS5. Okay, so that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you are planning on getting the HD60X, I hope this video was useful. I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you're watching me from in the world, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!